Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video how to submit assignments on Google Classroom as an MI student. So here we are all logged into our class, one of our classes for MI via Google Classroom. Once you're all logged in, it should take you automatically to the stream page of that class, which is where you want to be if you're ready to write your assignment. Of course, at this point, we've assumed you've already looked at the syllabus and you know what you're doing. You're ready to write your assignment. Maybe class has already happened and you're actually ready to do the post-class assignment. That's what we're going to do today. We go down here, and any of these class assignments that are listed, you can hover over and you see they are a link. That's what you want to do, is click that link. We're going to click that. You get taken to this work page here. This page shows you your work, anything that you are working on that you want your teacher to be able to see and edit. So you can add files here, but that's not what I want you to do. Anytime you're going to be submitting assignments on Google Classroom, they always need to be as a Google Doc. So you have to go to Create Docs. That's what you'll always do as soon as you get to this page. If you're just starting an assignment, you go Create Docs. As you can see, it's thinking because it's creating a Google Doc file for you. You'll see it show up right here. It's done thinking. It always just populates your first and last name and then the class assignment that you're working on. So you click that link. It has created this Google Docs for you. This is what Google Docs looks like. There's another tutorial on how to add citations in Google Docs, how to format your papers for MI in Google Docs. You can check those out in other tutorial videos I made. Here, let's say you're ready to write your assignment and you're gonna just plow through this thing and be done with it. Okay, my paper is done. All right, now as you can see up here, it was saying saving, and it takes a second or even less than a second to save changes into Google Drive and into Google Classroom. So don't ever worry about trying to find a save button or clicking save. There's no need to do any of that. Just wait 1 second when you've added something, and it will be automatically saving everything for you by the second. So if you're working on a paper and it's a working document and you need to go back and forth into the document and out of the document, you just literally close the tab. So there, I closed it. I can always get back to it from the same page. So say I logged out, I'm logging back in at a different day. I'm ready to keep working on my post-class assignment that I already started. I would go back to the stream page. Here it is. It's still there waiting for me. And it has everything that I added to it before. So let's say it is truly done. I'm ready to submit it. You want to go up here and click Turn In. You don't need to click Comments. You don't need to click Share. It's already shared with your teacher. So please don't click Share, because that will send them an additional email that gets sort of confusing to them. So just click Turn In. You're clicking it. And it takes you to this page where it prompts you again. Are you sure you want to turn in this work? The reason it prompts you again is because once you click Turn In the final time, this paper is no longer accessible to you. You can't make any edits to it unless you choose to unsubmit it. So let's click Turn In. We're totally ready for it to be done. You'll see this nice green check mark here, and this shows very clearly that this assignment is done. This is also what the instructor or professor sees. They will see a green done word over your paper, and they will know it's ready to be graded. The only other option you have at this point is to unsubmit this document. If you were like, oops, I made a mistake, I didn't mean to do that, you can unsubmit it. Otherwise, if you try to click back into this, you no longer have rights to be in this paper. It's only letting you view it at this point. It's not going to let you edit it. So just know that. However, if you're confident that you've turned in your paper and it truly is done, you're done. You don't need to do anything else. Your prof is going to grade these papers, and you'll receive a notification at some point that they have returned the paper with your grade. You'll see comments on it, and you'll be able to easily see how to view those comments. One thing I want to note, up here in this little classroom main menu, you click that. If you go down to Settings, this is something you want to make sure is on, receiving email notifications. Now you can adjust this as you'd like, but returned works and grades is probably one that you want to have on, and invitations to join classes. So just make sure that these are on in settings, and you should be able to receive your returned graded work, and that's all you need to do at that point. Once you've turned in your assignment, you're done. You've done your work with this class. Way to go. All right, thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions about functional things in Google Classroom, always email the Masters Institute. If you have any questions about content about your class, you email your teacher. All right, have a great day.